everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. So today we are going to be creating a goodies bouquet is what I want to call it, because it's not just candy, it's not just chips, it's a variety of different things. So let's get started with the video. Okay, so as you can see off the camera, I have already placed tape on the back of these other items here. And this is what you're going to do. Really simple and easy. You're just going to get you some kebab sticks. You want to get whatever items that you want to add to your project. And you want to also get some tape. So you're going to hold your kebab stick on the back of the item. Place your tape on the back of it so that you can secure it. And that's it. That's all you're going to be doing for the rest of your items that you have. However many items that you want to use. I don't know how many items I had. I just really picked up a few things. I didn't really count, but it really doesn't matter. You can do this with 5 items up to probably, I don't know, 50 items. But just doing the same steps. Get you a kebab stick, get you some tape, and place it on the back. Now I have all of my items taped and ready to go. All of them. Next, what you want to do is you're going to get some tissue paper. You're going to get some tissue paper, lay that down first, and then you're going to start arranging your products in the order in which you want it to be in. Okay, so let's get our tissue paper. Okay, so I have placed my tissue paper down. I have about 5 sheets of tissue paper, and I placed my products on top. So now I'm just arranging the products in the order in which I want them in. Really nothing in particular, just place them where you can see all of them at one time. See, like this one, I can probably pull this out a little bit more. So once you have it sectioned off like you want it, all you have to do is you can either tape all of your pieces together, or you can just go ahead and start to pull your tissue paper up. This is the bottom part, so I'm just going to pull this part up here. And then I'm going to start pulling my sides over. So I started with the bottom. This is like in a what do you call it? A triangle shape. Once I put it in a square, now it's in a like triangle shape now. Push the bottom up first. Then I'm going to start applying, pushing my sides over. But I'm not going to push them all the way over. I'm just going to push it over just a little bit, and then I'm going to fold it back so you can still see. So I'm going to do this to both sides, and then we will come back. Okay, so I was holding the phone in my hand, so I wasn't able to really show you all what I was talking about. So what I meant by the sides is this. So these were flat. I pulled up side inward. And of course, we don't want to cover it like this because you won't be able to see everything. So we'll just pull it back just a little bit so you can see everything from the front. So I'm going to repeat that same step. So I pull this piece forward, and then I pulled it back just a little bit so you can see the rest of the items. Okay? So once you have this set in the order in which you wanted to have it in, you're going to take some string or some yarn or whatever you can to wrap around these edges, okay? Oh, I almost forgot one product here. Let me put that back. Okay. All right, so I have all of my pieces gathered together. And I have everything in the order in which I want it to be in. So I'm grabbing them all at one time. And I'm going to take this string here and I'm going to wrap it around. Alright, let me show you all how it's looking. So far so good. You can see everything. Okay? So lastly, and this is completely optional, but I am just going to go an extra step, and I'm going to wrap this in some clear cellophane. And I purchased this from, I want to say, Joann's or Michael's. I can't remember, but it came in a big roll. But you can also catch this at the Dollar Tree, if you can find it at your local Dollar Tree. They sometimes have some of this. So I purchased this big roll from one of those stores, Joann's or Michael's. Okay, y'all. So cellophane is pretty loud, so I did not want to wrap that on camera. But here is the final reveal. And I'm going to turn around so you can see how I wrapped the back. All I did was just tuck everything from side to side. Then I flipped it forward and I just secured it with tape. But here is our goodie bouquet. And I also added a cute little bow at the bottom because I thought I was done. But I'm like, no, I'm going to finish it off with something cute. So I added the bow in the end. It turned out really cute. Not bad for my first time. And I am definitely going to create this again. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions. If you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you love the video, share with your family and friends. But as always, stay tuned because we have plenty of more videos coming soon. Until next time, bye.